Bring an elegant, modern edge to your bathroom with the Nuie Renay matte black sliding shower door. With its minimalist style, striking matte black frame, this shower door is perfect for anyone who is looking to make a bold statement. Whether you're planning a complete bathroom renovation or just including a shower enclosure in your current space. The Nuie Renay sliding door is available in a wide range of sizes from 1,000 meters to 1,700 millimeters, making it suitable for bathrooms of all shapes and layouts. The reversible door can be used alone in a recess between two walls or paired with the optional side panel to create a stylish corner enclosure. This adaptability of this sliding shower door makes it ideal for a variety of different bathroom layouts, whether you're fitting it into a recessed alcove or planning a corner installation. The clear 6mm toughened safety glass helps to let natural and artificial light flow through the room, enhancing the feeling of space and openness, perfect for smaller bathrooms where maximizing light is needed. Create a shower space that looks fantastic and works effortlessly with your lifestyle and home. Matte black showers and accessories are available to complete the look. Discover this and the rest of the Nuie shower enclosures range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.